Hello Wobblies, welcome to Wobbly Otter Outdoors. I'm Chris, and in this episode we're taking a look at our favorite small camping gadgets. This isn't a paid promotion, we purchased all these items ourselves. You'll notice that some of the items look a little worn or used, and that's because we do actually use them. Number 1. The Model 1 Collapsible Bucket by UST. The bucket capacity is 5 liters or 1.32 gallons. It is made of thermoplastic rubber for the collapsible part and hard plastic on the top rim and the bottom. It's BPA free and dishwasher safe. Number 2. Klean Kanteen's single wall stainless steel bottle. Its capacity is 40 ounces or 1.18 liters. You can boil water in them to make the water safe to drink. It's lighter than a double-walled bottle. It is shatter resistant, long-lived, recyclable, and doesn't leach chemicals into the contents. The single-walled aren't insulated. Number 3. The Survivor Filter Pro Water Filter. This is a hand pump operated 0.01 micron water filter. The 3-stage filters remove 99.999% of Protozoa, tested viruses, and bacteria. They also remove most heavy metals. The filters are replaceable. The carbon filters have a lifespan of 2,000 liters or 528 gallons, and its non-carbon filters have a lifespan of 100,000 liters or 26,417 gallons. Number 4. The Silky Gomboy Folding Saw. The blade is 240 millimeters long or about 9.5 inches with medium teeth. There are 10 teeth per 30 millimeters or 8.5 teeth per inch. When unfolded, the blade snaps into place with a safety latch. The saw has a rubbery grip and comes with a plastic carrying case. Number 5. Estwing Camper's Hatchet. The hatchet is 14 inches long and made of one piece of forged steel. The cutting edge is 3.5 inches and it has a shock reduction grip. A ballistic nylon sheath is included. It's made in the USA. Bill wrapped the neck of mine with paracord to make it easier for me to hold when I choke up on it. Number 6. The Morakniv Garberg. This Garberg was purchased with the Molly mount system and has a carbon steel blade. Morakniv also makes one with a stainless steel blade. The knife can fit facing either side in the plastic sheath, and a snap lock strap is included. The knife is full tang with a total length of 9 inches or 229 millimeters. The blade is 4.3 or 109 millimeters long with a Scandi grind. It has a polyamide handle with checkering and a lanyard hole. The spine has a squared edge so it works well with a ferro rod. Number 7. The Firebox Nano Stove X-Case Kit. The Firebox Nano is a 3-inch folding stove that comes with 2 nano sticks and a windscreen. This is the stainless steel version. A titanium version is also available. It is capable of burning multiple fuels: wood, alcohol, gas, solid fuel tablets, and gel. When in place, the 2 pins are the support for a spirit burner, a Trangia gas burner, or the platform for solid fuel tablets. Number 8. Morakniv Eldris with Fire Starter Kit. The Eldris makes a great neck knife with its 2.2 inch or 56 millimeter blade and plastic sheath with a snap strap lock. It has an easy to grip handle. The square edge spine is 0.8 inches or 2 millimeters wide and makes a spark easily with the included ferro rod. The knife weighs 2.8 ounces or 80 grams. 6 handle and sheath colors are available. Number 9. Mini compressed towels. Each compressed cotton towel is individually wrapped. After adding about a teaspoonful of water, the towel that's roughly 8 inches by 8 inches can be unfolded for use. The little towels are pleasantly soft. Number 10. Stanley Adventure Camp Cook Set. The 24-ounce cook pot is made of 18/8 stainless steel and comes with 2 nested 10-ounce thick-walled plastic tumblers that are BPA-free. The lid has holes for venting or straining. The locking metal handle folds over the top to keep the kit intact for travel. Number 11. The 8-inch Bugaboo Pan by GSI Outdoors. The Bugaboo and Pinnacle pans are my favorite non-stick coating pans on the planet. The handles are foldable and removable. This Bugaboo pan is made of aluminum with Teflon coating. Circular ridges on the bottom increase the surface area and help it heat more efficiently, and also prevent the pan from sliding on the stove. 10 and 12-inch pans are also available. Number 12. Bamber Wooden Spatula. This is an incredibly well-polished and splinter-free spatula. All the Bamber wood products I've used are much more slick and smoother than those by the majority of other makers. This spatula is made of solid beech wood that is burnished then coated with layers of food-grade wood oil. It is such a pleasure to use. Product links are in the description. Down in the comments below, let us know what you think. Which one was your favorite? Thanks for watching, Wobbly Otter. We love you and hope all your tomorrows are bright. Until next time.